Yeah, let's do this. Oh, that scared me, y'all. Oh, snap. That is loud. Woo. Real nasty. Alright guys, got the dyno sheet. It's official. I'm wrong with the big boys. Or the little big boys. Living this, man, every day. I'm gonna have so much more fun. Man. Alright, well, are you guys ready for the facts?
Vegeta, what does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000! What, 9,000? There's no way that can be right!
Alright, so let's start with the torque, man, because that's what everybody cares about. The max torque I have is 439 to the rear wheels. Average 410, you know, that's pretty good. The engine power, man, it's freaking 408. That's pretty cool, huh? I just need to get some new wheels, and then I'll be ready for the 0-60 challenge. Even with blindfold. It's an inside joke. Alright, well, I might do a couple reactions. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do it. Forget it. Alright, moment of truth. That's loud. I don't know, I'm hearing a little squeakiness. Maybe they gotta sit in. Oh, nothing. Oh, my pipes don't just fall on the road, man. That would suck. But it is loud. Woo! Well, that's my reaction, man. Let me just enjoy the ride home, and I guess we'll talk later if I feel like it. It's been a long 2 weeks, so let me get a little moment with the car. Let me light a few candles. Play some romance music, all that good stuff. I gotta put on my settings. Alright guys, just did my ride from the HP Motorsports to my house. Gotta say, you do notice a difference. It's really, really loud. It's like kapow, kaboom, kapow. not in that sense, but yeah, it's pretty wild. Like even on the highway, and then I slam on the gas. Probably going 50, 60, and I slam, I can feel the wheel spinning. So I'm definitely have to get some new tires, because the ones I already have is already going bald. So overall, I enjoyed it. I'm sure I'm gonna have to get the nuts and lugs and nuts and bolts, all that stuff. They have to get retorqued, because I heard, you know, just putting them on, you gotta get them, you gotta break them loose, and then you gotta get all that stuff retorqued. I'm gonna have an engine exhaust leak, I mean. But yeah, I'm trying to understand this little dyno sheet. I've seen everybody with videos of them, but I never understood it. Look like ching chang to me. I guess I have to do some research, huh? Just gotta tell y'all, I wasn't really a car person until I became a Mopar guy. So I just decided one day, hey, I wanted to be an asshole, so I got a Challenger. I'm sure it's not everybody who has a Challenger or Mopar is an asshole, but I just want to enjoy life, you know? And this is like one of the fun points of life for me. driving this bad boy. But I got a few things in the way. Definitely gotta get these tires, and I was recommended 285s, and look some up. They're ranging about $300 a tire. I just need 2 for the back, so no biggie. So I won't be doing those 0 to 60s for a while, like I said. But anyways, I haven't played any video games in a while, and you know I gotta play. So I'll see you later. Any questions, comments? I'll be trying my best to answer it. But look. They call me Bond. James Bond. Yeah.